Okay, this is the road coming down to the boat ramp, and then I'm going to pan around. And we're going to be looking at the lake here. Kind of a swampy looking area off to the right. Water's a little bit high, but there's the boat ramp. Okay, we're at Lake Ashby Park here, and that's the playground area. And I'm coming around here to the restroom. And we continue, and as you can see, we're parked there. Okay, and here we have the signs leading us to the boardwalk. Well, it looks like it's quite a walk down to the lake and the boardwalk, and the mosquitoes are getting bad. So I think I'm going to go turn around. Okay, here's the jungle gym, or whatever you want to call it. And go over here, and it's one of the eating pavilions. And I'm going to pan around here, and there's another picnic pavilion. We had a change of plans. Went back to the car, found my thermocell, which strapped it on, and we decided to go find the boardwalk, and here we go. Here's a creek going into the lake. We're about 3/4 of the way. Actually, we're pretty close to the lake, and I'm starting to see the boardwalk. Okay, here's the boardwalk. Looks like it's been recently redone. It's looking sweet. Nice boardwalk. I guess it was worth the hike down here. Well, here's a turn in the boardwalk, and get a look at kind of where we came from. And I'm not sure we're going to go the entire distance, but and here's a look at the lake from where we're standing. Well, this has been such a beautiful boardwalk. I just wonder how the fishing is here. I'm not sure this time of year would be all that good. It is a bit of a walk down here, but it's doable. Be nice to have a fishing cart with us. And we're looking back to to where we came from, and the sun has started to come out.